Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrew, and in today's short video I'm going to show you several ways you can open an existing Excel file. I've made the assumption you already have Excel installed on your Windows PC. At the time of recording I'm on Windows 10 and Excel 2019, but you can apply this to any version of Excel on your Windows PC. So the first way is very simple. You have a file already, in this case on my desktop, but it could be anywhere on your device. And to open it, all I need to do here is double click left mouse button on that file icon. Or alternatively, you can right click on this icon and select open. This then opens up your Excel file and off you go. If you already have Excel open and you have your taskbar available and you have the Excel icon on it, right click on the icon and select one of the files from the available list. If you have Excel already open, you can go File, and this will take you to what they call the Backstage view, and from here recently accessed list, or you can select open. And again, Microsoft always try and be really helpful. 3 places for the same thing. You have your recently accessed files there, or you can select browse and just navigate to wherever your files are held. And again, as we've already done, double click on the icon name to open up your Excel file. If, like me, you love a keyboard shortcut and want to get to that open screen on a Windows PC on your keyboard, press Ctrl and O to open. I also think there is one other way most of us access our Excel files, and that is via an attachment in an email. But I have another video on that because for me there is one absolute gotcha. I will link to that below in the description, or it'll appear somewhere on this screen. And as always, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.